Here's how to use ElevenLabs Voice Changer to transform any audio voice into a completely different voice. Start by heading to the Voice Changer section in your dashboard. The upload process is straightforward. Click to browse your files or drag your audio directly into the window. Most common audio formats work without any issues. Once your file uploads, play back the uploaded file to hear if everything is right. This is my demo audio for Voice Changer. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu packed with voice options. We're talking dozens, maybe hundreds of different voices to choose from. The key is picking something that actually fits your project, rather than just grabbing the most impressive sounding option. The sliders underneath control how the transformation behaves. Stability keeps longer audio consistent, but lower settings add natural variation that sounds more human. Similarity determines how closely you match the target voice. Perfect matches often sound artificial, so slight variations work better. Style exaggeration controls how animated the voice becomes, which matters more than you'd think for maintaining energy. Click Generate and let it process. Longer files take more time, obviously, but things usually finish faster than you'd think.
This is my demo audio for Voice Changer.
Playing back the result shows you what actually happened. All your original timing, pauses, and emphasis stay exactly where they were. The voice becomes completely different, while everything that made the original delivery work gets preserved.